Introducing an all-new way of brushing. A pioneering next-generation toothbrush that features a groundbreaking combination of oscillation and vibration. This is the Laifen Wave electric toothbrush. With its ultra-thin bristles, copper-free brush heads, and seamless handle, the Laifen Wave delivers an unparalleled brushing experience. The Laifen Wave is the first to truly brush your teeth with its 60-degree oscillations. This robust oscillation range, combined with Laifen's soft and tapered bristles, effectively solves the problem of cleaning teeth while protecting the gums. The Laifen Wave's revolutionary advances also propel electric toothbrushes into the era of precision vibrations. It's all made possible by Laifen's proprietary servo system, which not only provides exceptional stability and power, but also precise brush head movements. Thanks to its comprehensive waterproof structure, the Laifen Wave is rated IPX7 waterproof. From top to bottom, the Laifen Wave is redefining oral care. The Laifen app allows you to make real-time adjustments across 3 settings and 10 levels, and save your preferred brushing habits. With its innovative pressure-sensitive button, you can easily switch between modes with a single touch. The magnetic charging cable conveniently charges the Laifen Wave in just 2.5 hours, with a full charge lasting up to 30 days. The Laifen Wave is available in 3 different materials and is built with a seamless design. With its 3 premium copper-free antibacterial brush heads that are tailored for gum care, brushing efficiency, and teeth whitening, this is the comprehensive oral care package. The electric toothbrush you've been waiting for. The Laifen Wave.